Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm gonna show you how to fix your CapCut if it's just a black screen here. Okay, before I showed the whole thing used to be white and black, but now it's just the actual timeline. Like the video will play, it will play, but it won't show anything. So if you go to the top right and you go to your settings here, all right, go to performance, hit that, smart optimization, uh select unselect to avoid black screen problem or video play. Okay, let's take that off, hit save. All right, we'll see what that does. Should come back on. All right, if not, X out of it. Now go back to create a project again. This should definitely work. All right, import videos back, apply, and add back to track, and there you go. All right, so that's how you get the black screen and go back to a normal screen. So if you go back to your settings again and go to performance and turn off render interference with GPU, and it should start working again. Smart optimization and save. If you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. Now I'll see you in the next video. Peace.